Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about Enmore Withdrawal, how to withdraw from Enmore, and then I'll also be answering this question if there is any withdrawing proof on Enmore. That is the question I have been receiving. Previously, I made a review video in regards to this very platform known as Enmore, and I have received a lot of questions in regards to withdrawing and withdrawal proof. So this video tutorial will reveal to you guys every single thing you need to know and understand about the withdrawing aspect. So all you need to do is to calm yourself down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are also going to find out if this very platform is actually legit or just another scam platform in disguise. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time or you are hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Sparky, and what I do here on my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, and updates on daily basis here on my channel. So if you are hearing my voice for the first time, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified anytime I release new update on my channel. And then if you enjoy videos like this and you want more update, you can check the link in the comment section of this video below to join my Telegram group. Okay, so let's get started. But before we start, I would love to lay a disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only, and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice or guarantee any result. So therefore, you are always advised to make your own research and verify the authenticity of every platform before using them. So let's start. So talking about how to withdraw from Enmore. To withdraw from Enmore, come to this option where they write cash out. Click on it. Then when you click on it, click on set up payment method. Then select your preferred payout option and then save. Then after that, once you reach minimum, you can hit withdrawal. So now, it's not all about withdrawing this money. It is all about getting paid. The question here now is, when you have withdrawn this money successfully, will you get it paid to your account? And the answer is no. Now you may be asking why I'm saying no. I made a review video previously. Some people argued over the notification they are seeing here. This notification that so person, new payment set to so person. Because of the system notification people are seeing there, and they are now convinced that the withdrawing is real. Well, it is not real. Okay, so if because of this payment, all this notification you are seeing that so person receives so amount, all these things are system notification, and they have been programmed just to keep you engaged on the platform, to keep you active on the platform, and nothing more. So this very platform known as Enmore, if you didn't watch the video I made, the full review video, make sure to watch it so that you will get to understand the real truth behind this platform. Because in that very video, I have already explained that this platform here known as Enmore does not have any means of generating revenue for the user. Instead, what they do is that they use their members as means of traffic to their apps, site, and rest of them, and their YouTube videos. So that is what this platform does. So they don't pay users. When you withdraw money, it will show you successfully, but you will not get it paid to your account. Do you understand? Reason why is because they don't have any means of generating revenue to pay you. Rather, they use you as means of traffic to this site. I mean, in the review video, I have already explained all the red flags. All the red flags I found out on this very platform. And then make sure to watch the review video so that you get to understand everything. So if you have been any money on this platform with the hope of withdrawing money, I am telling you guys that this platform does not pay. Sorry to tell you guys that the platform is not paying. So if you have been searching endless if there is any withdrawing proof anywhere, there is no any withdrawing proof anywhere. According to my research, test, and investigation as the time I was making this video, no one has reportedly cashed out successfully from this platform known as Enmore. It has been confirmed a fake earning platform and should be avoided by anyone who is not ready to waste his or her data, time, energy, and effort online. So this is nothing but the truth you need to know. And then don't forget there is love in sharing. As I'll share this honest review video with you. Also share it with friends and family so that everyone will get to know the real truth about this platform. And make sure to watch the review video so that you will also learn how to decode a platform that is fake or real. So in that video, I have explained all that. Make sure you watch it. Okay, thank you. I remain Sparky.